So breaking news, Elon Musk has just surprised everyone once again. In this video, we are talking about the new 5-to-1 Tesla stock split, its effect on pricing, and also what this means for you as an investor. So what happened? Well, after market today, Tesla announced a 5-for-1 stock split that goes into effect on August 31st. What does this mean if you are already investing in Tesla and you already own Tesla shares? Does this mean you instantly become 5 times richer? The simple answer is no, you don't. But let me explain how this works. Basically, this means that you're gonna have 5 times the number of shares, at least based on what you currently have. However, each of those shares is going to be worth 5 times less than it is right now. So let's do some quick math. Let's say that Tesla is worth $1,500 just to make it simple. Let's say right now you have 1 share of Tesla, so you have $1,500 of Tesla stock. Now after the split, that 1 share of Tesla stock you have is going to turn into 5 shares of Tesla. And instead of those shares being worth $1,500 each, they're all going to be worth $300 each. So yeah, nothing's really changing. Nothing fundamental is changing about the stock. It's just that there are now going to be 5 times as many stocks out there for trading as there was before. So supply up 5 times and price down 5 times. Theoretically. So how it works is each shareholder as of August 21st is going to get a dividend of 4 additional shares per stock that they already own. These dividends will be paid out after close on August 28th. And then what's going to happen is Tesla will start trading on a stock split adjusted basis on August 31st. Post-market trading shows an increase of over 6% already. And basically what that did was it added about $15 billion to the market cap of Tesla. Why? Well, this means technically more people can afford to buy whole shares of Tesla. Think about it. An average investor probably can't afford to spend over $1,000 on 1 share of a stock. This rule applies for literally any company. But for a stock that's, let's say, costs $300, that's a lot more likely. This is going to lead to a larger number of investors investing in Tesla because 1, they can, and 2, because it's hyped already. And I do think that this hype is going to lead to a really good conversion for the stock split. People are betting that more people will jump on this bandwagon, and as a result, the stock price will increase even further. Let's just take a quick look at Tesla's stock right now to see how they're doing. So as of close, Tesla is trading at $1,374.39. But after hours, as of 7:13 p.m. Eastern time, they are trading at $1,462.11. This accounts for a jump of 6.38%. It's got a beta of 1.3, meaning it is more volatile than most stocks, and an insane PE ratio of 711.38. This is with an earnings per share of $1.93. Now, zooming out on the 1-year chart, you can see that Tesla has just increased so much this past 12 months. We already saw a very dramatic increase in price up to March, but then with the pandemic hitting, we saw a huge drop in price from about $800 all the way to around $300. And since then, Tesla has just been rising consistently until the past month, where it's sort of hovered around $1,500 per share. On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being a strong buy and 5 being a sell, analysts currently rate Tesla as a 3, meaning it is a hold. But yeah, you guys, I want to emphasize that Tesla in the last 12 months is up 485%. This year alone, they are up 229%. If you compare this to the S&P 500, which for this year is up about 3%, you can see just how much better Tesla has performed than the S&P 500. Now, what accounted for that huge jump in price at the end of June and the beginning of July? We saw it go from the high 900s to about $1,500 per share in just 1 week. By July 13th, they hit their all-time high of $1,794.99. Well, the reason for this was because of the Q2 earnings report. Tesla had some really amazing numbers, and most importantly, they beat analysts' expectations by a lot. Their second quarter earnings were their 4th straight quarter of profits, meaning that they are eligible to join the S&P 500. But yeah, definitely this reaction is not normal. Like, even when companies join the S&P 500, you normally don't see their stock prices going up that much. I think that Wall Street just really thought that Tesla was going to have negative earnings for the last 2 quarters. And when they didn't, people thought, wow, they're still selling a lot of cars. They're doing really well. This whole EV bandwagon thing, it's really exciting. It's very trendy. And as a result, that is why Tesla stock is just trading so much higher than, people would have thought. Now, do I think this like 6 or 7% jump in prices is justified? I don't think it's justified just based on the split. This doesn't really do anything for the fundamentals of the company. It just makes it a lot more hyped. And since Tesla is already hyped, this further hyping is just going to compound. And as a result, everyone's just going to want to buy Tesla stock. I do think that a lot more smaller investors will be buying Tesla, and this can definitely add to the hype, and it can definitely increase the price as well. But it doesn't affect the big players, the big traders, all these investment companies that pour millions, billions of dollars into this company. For them, the stock split does not matter at all in terms of how they trade, but of course it does help them out if the stock price increases. A lot of companies actually already offer fractional shares. This is when you can buy like zero point 0.1 shares of Tesla, 0.1 shares of Amazon, these really expensive stocks. But I do think that people like owning at least one full share of a stock. It just makes it a lot more real. And I do think that the psychology of this is very important to consider. Like I said already, EV cars are super trendy right now. Everyone wants to invest into the future of cars and technology. In fact, in one 4-hour block last month, 40,000 Robinhood accounts added Tesla to their portfolio. I do think that Tesla will do extremely well in the next few years. This is a company that is definitely here to stay, and with the help of Elon, I know that they can do extremely well. Right now, they're doing about 500,000 deliveries per year, but I know easily that they can do 1 million per year once they get their other factories set up and running. In fact, maybe even in like 5 years, they can do 2-3 million deliveries per year. And this is going to really increase their profits and make an even higher valuation possible. They have Tesla Solar, they have Tesla battery technology, they have Tesla self-driving, they even have Tesla insurance. There are a lot of brands that can come out of this new battery tech that Tesla has perfected so well. And yeah, that is why Tesla is just such an exciting company. I'm still a little bit hesitant to invest in Tesla just because of like the insane valuation numbers, as well as the huge rallies in price recently. But honestly, I think any time is a pretty good time to buy Tesla, because in the future, we're gonna look back at Tesla and we're gonna be like, wow, it's only worth $1,500 per share. That's super low. And so yeah, take this video however you want. It's just my opinion. I've made a few Tesla videos before, but I thought that this new split was something that a lot of you guys would be interested in. So that is why I chose to make this video. It's not like a full-on analysis of Tesla as a company. It's more of like a, hey, here's what's happening. Here's why you guys should care. And yeah, so if you guys have not yet signed up for WeBull, make sure to do so and claim your 2 free stocks worth up to $1,650. This is the trading platform that I use. All you have to do is deposit $100 into your account and you will receive those 2 free stocks for free. Before investing, make sure to do your own due diligence. I always say use these videos as entertainment purposes and definitely don't take them as financial advice. So if you guys like this video, make sure to share it with a friend, hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this. I make a ton of content about investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.